friends, I am Professor Nagargoja US from Mechanical Department in ADSU Technical Campus, Faculty of Engineering, SAS Ahmednagar, okay, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video, we have studied that the theory of machine, theory of machine, second practical, that is the gear boxes. This topic name will be the gear boxes. Okay, what is the aim of this practical? The aim of this practical is to study the various type of gearbox, such as the industrial gearbox, synchronous gearbox, differential gearbox. Then what is the gear? Gear is used to transmit the power from one shaft to the another shaft. And then what is the gearboxes? This the gearboxes is necessary in the transmission system to maintain engine the speed at most economical value under all conditions. An ideal gearbox would provide an infinite range gear ratio so that the engine speed should be kept at or near that the maximum power is developed whatever the speed of the vehicle movement. Third will be the purpose of the gearboxes. What is the purpose of these gearboxes? The purpose of the gearboxes is provide the speed and the torque conversion because of the limitation of internal combustion engine. Also facilitate the change of direction of output for the reversing. This is the initial or purpose of the gearboxes. There are the various type of the gearboxes. First will be the sliding mesh type gearboxes. Second will be the constant mesh type gearboxes. Third will be the synchronous mesh type gearbox, and fourth will be the planetary type gearbox. Okay, we can see that the one by one. First will be the sliding mesh type of gearbox. Okay, sliding mesh type of the gearboxes. Okay, the sliding mesh type of gearboxes. This is the figure of the sliding mesh type of the gearboxes, in which this is the lay shaft, this is the lay shaft, this is the clutch gear, this is the clutch shaft, this is the main shaft, first and reverse gear, and second and high gear. Then what is the construction? Construction is the lay shaft. It is also called as a counter shaft, in which the gear will be mounted at the B, E, C, and E, G. Okay. Then on the main shaft, the gear will be situated at the second and the speed gear and the reverse gear, on which the main shaft, the first and the reverse gear will be situated, and the clutch shaft and the clutch gear. Okay, it is working when the gear pedal will be transmit, where the power will be transmit. Okay, when the gear shaft, when the lay shaft on the gear will be pedal, on which the power will be transmit to the C to E and B to A, and then this is the push to the F, so that the power will be transmitted to the main shaft. This is the sliding mesh type of a gear types. Means this is the slide the power will be transmitted by using the sliding. This is called as the sliding mesh type of the gearbox. Okay, this is a sliding mesh type of a gearbox. The power comes from the engine. Power comes from the engine to the clutch shaft and then to the clutch gear, which is always meshed with the gear on the lay shaft. All the means first power will be transmitted to the lay shaft. Okay, all the gears on the lay shaft are fixed to it, and such they are all the timing rotating when the engine is running and the clutch is engaged. When the engine is running and clutch is engaged, all the gears on the lay shaft on the fixed movement. Okay, three direct and the one reverse speed are attained on suitably moving the gear on the main shaft by means of the selector mechanism. Okay, means in which the lay shaft the power will be transmit, on the lay shaft the power will be the transmit. Okay, power will be transferred to the clutch gear or clutch shaft. Then the clutch shaft will be pushes to the clutch gear to engage the second or third gear, so that the power will be the produced. Okay, This is the sliding mesh type of a gears. And second type of the mesh type of a gear, constant mesh type of a gearbox. Okay, second type of the constant mesh type of a gearbox. This is the diagram of the constant mesh type of a gearboxes. Constant mesh type of a gearbox in which this is called as the dog clutch. This is called as the dog clutch. This is called as the reverse gear. This is the main shaft, and this is the clutch shaft, and this is the counter shaft. Okay, constant mesh gearbox. It is called as the constant mesh gearbox. What is the purpose of this constant mesh gearbox? Is the purpose of the constant mesh gearbox. In this type of a gearbox, all the gears are in constant. In this type of the all the gear are in the constant mesh with the corresponding gear on the lay shaft. The gear on the main shaft, which is a spline, are free. The dog clutch are provided, which are free to slide on the main shaft. The gears on the lay shaft are, however, the fixed. When the left dog clutch is slide to the left by means of the selector mechanism, its teeth are engaged with those on the clutch gear and the weight we get the direct gear. The same dog clutch, however, when the slide to right makes contact with the second gear. Similarly, movement of the right dog clutch to the left result in the low gear and towards the right in a reverse gear. This is the construction of the constant mesh type of a gearboxes. Okay, this is the diagram. So that it is a construction will be that is the this is the dog clutch. This dog clutch is used to avoid the sliding of this gear, so that the dog clutch will be the produce. Okay, this is the counter shaft, this is the clutch shaft, this is the dog clutch, this is reverse gears, and the main shaft. On main shaft there will be the this is the two gears will be constantly mesh on the lay shaft. Okay, this is the constant mesh type of the gear boxes. Okay, next will be the synchronous type gearbox. The synchronous, it is the synchronous type of a gearbox. It is the diagram of the synchronous gearboxes. Synchronous gear mesh type of a gearboxes. It is similar to the constant mesh gearboxes. Okay, in which the dog clutch is also provided, but it is the very complicated. It is the very complicated, so that the this is the very complicated. So the power will be transferred from the one shaft to the other shaft very easily. Then what is the construction of the synchronous type gearboxes? In which this type of a gearbox is similar to the constant mesh type, in that all the gear on the main shaft are in constant mesh with the corresponding gear on the lay shaft. The gear on the lay shaft are fixed to it, while those on the main shaft are free to rotate on the same. Its working is also similar to the constant mesh type, but in the former there is a one definite improvement over the latter. This is the provision of the synchronous mesh device, which avoids the necessity of a double disc clutching. The parts which ultimately are to be engaged are first brought into the frictional contact, which equalizes their speed, after which this may be engaged smoothly. This may be engaged smoothly. This is the construction of the synchronous gear boxes. This is the diagram of the synchronous gear boxes. Okay. Then fourth will be the epicyclic or planetary gearboxes. Epicyclic and planetary gearboxes. The diagram of the epicyclic or planetary gearboxes. Okay, this is the planet gear. Okay, this is the planet gear. This is the ring gear. This is the R. This is the sun gear. How it is a power transferred from the one gear to the another gear, when suppose this is the sun gear will be constant and the planet gear will be transmitted, so that this power will be transferred to the ring gear. Suppose this is the planet will be the transmit, the ring gear will be moving, then by using this arm the sun gear will be the rotate, so that the epicyclic or planetary gear is used in a clock, so that this is the epicyclic gear train. Okay, The third is the construction of the epicyclic or planetary gearbox. It consists of the two or three or even four epicyclic or the planetary gear set. A simple gear set has a sun gear about which planet turn around. These planet gear are carried by a carrier and a shaft, which are also in a mesh internally with a ring gear, which is also called as annulus or internal gear sometimes. Different torque ratio. It is a different torque ratio, that is speed ratio are obtained by making of the part stationary. Similarly, by locking the two parts with each other, a solid drive or direct gear obtained. Solid direct or gear obtained. Okay, this is the epicyclic gear train. Epicyclic gear train, there will be the four gear trains in which this is the ring gear, this is the arm, sun gear or the planet gear, so that the power will be transmitted from the on which the one gear will be the fixed and another will be the moving, so that the all three remaining gear will be transmit the power. Okay, this is the epicyclic gear train. Then what is the conclusion of this practical? The conclusion of this practical, we study that the various type of gearboxes such as the industrial gearbox, the industrial gearbox, that is the constant mesh gearbox, sliding gearboxes or synchronous gearboxes or epicyclic gearboxes. So that this practical will be have concluded, that is the study practical of the various type of the gearboxes. Thank you.